Hello everyone. I, Dr. Gitanjali Kamra, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Applications at the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, Bhopal. So today we are going to take one of the very interesting subject comes under NEP 2020, that is Artificial Intelligence for Business. So we'll talk about artificial intelligence, which is a very interesting terminology these days. Artificial intelligence is one of the very booming technology in the world. Now, let's talk about this technology, artificial intelligence. So, artificial means something which we are providing, that is externally. Intelligence, that is something which provides us information. So, a machine to whom we have made intelligent but artificially. How? So, there is a question mark. So, for this I must say artificial intelligence is basically a capacity of a machine to learn and to solve the problems. Artificial intelligence is basically a simulation of human intelligence by machines, where the machines are able to solve the problems, they are able to act rationally and the ability to act like humans. So, we, being as a human, have made the machines intelligent by putting multiple algorithms into it. The softwares that we have made are now fed into the machines. The codings, the algorithms that we have made are now fed inside the machines, and now by all these feeding, machines become intelligent. So, basically the central principle of AI includes reasoning, knowledge, planning, learning and communication. The perception and the ability to move and manipulate the objects. Along with it, we can say that the artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. So, basically it evolved in the year 1950. So, let's talk about the history of artificial intelligence. We think that artificial intelligence is a new concept in the world. No, my dear friends, it has already been evolved in the year of 1950s, the time when it has been started. Then afterwards, the more evolution has came inside this artificial intelligence. By the year 1955, artificial intelligence becomes a coined term by John McCarthy. Then in the year 1974, these computers become faster and affordable for us. Then in 1980s, the year of artificial intelligence was on boom. Now, talking about the 2000, landmark of AI establishment has been achieved. So, this was the entire history of AI. Let's talk about the application domain of AI. As we know, everywhere we are using artificial intelligence. Either we talk about the medical sector, or either we talk about the music industries, we talk about the telecommunications, or even the robotic world. In the gaming or in banking industry. My dear friends, now there is no area left without AI. So, let's talk about the AI application in various domains. So, starting with the medical factories or the medical industries. So here a medical clinic can use AI systems to organize the bed structures, make a staff rotation and provide medical information. So basically if we talk about the field of cardiology, neurology, embryology or any other complex operation of internal organs, everywhere we are using the concepts of AI. So basically we can say that AI having huge applications in the field of medicines and medical sector. Let's talk about the application of AI in music industry. So basically we can say that the scientists are trying to make the computer emulate the activities of the skillful musicians. So whether we talk about the compositions, whether we talk about the performances or music theory or the sound processing systems, everywhere we have researched that AI is in focus. Moving ahead with the applications of AI itself in the field of telecommunications. So BT Group has deployed an heuristic search in the scheduling applications that provide the work schedules of 20,000 engineers. So this is a very latest example where AI has been evolved. So we can say that many telecommunication companies make use of heuristic search in the management of their workforces for telecommunication part. Now, AI is providing multiple robots like Ameca, one of the very good humanoid robot which is even having skin like human beings. Next, you must have heard about Sophia robot, a women robot in the world which talks like us, which imitates like us, which can think intelligently just like human being. You must have heard about the Stuntronics, the robots made for performing the stunts in film industries. Likewise, there is a robot called Aibo, a small dog which is made by the robotic instruments which behave like a dog. So likewise, there are many more robots through AI that are into existence. So a robot basically is a mechanical or virtual artificial agent, usually an electromechanical machines that is guided by a computer program. So basically we can say that robot can be autonomous or semi-autonomous. So here we can say that in the coming decade there will be more robotic working in our country than manual working. Let's talk about the applications of AI in gaming industry. So earlier the gaming technology was not so broadened, but now AI technology has become vast and standard that has been increased the gaming popular. For example, Sudoku, Fear, Fallout, etc. Now we'll discuss about the applications of AI in banking area. So basically organizing the operations, investing in stock marketing and managing property, everything is now done by AI. So in August 2001, robots beat human in a simulated financial trading competition. There are many other applications include loan investigation, ATM design, safe and fast banking are done by AI. Likewise, there are many more applications of AI as you can see on the screen: credit granting, information management and retrieval, AI and expert systems embedded in product, plant layout, shipping, marketing and many more. My dear friends, there is nothing in this world which is having the advantages or benefits only. So, if we have anything which provides us benefits, so there must be some disadvantages as well. So, let us talk about the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. So, firstly we will deal with the advantages. So, as we can see that it is a more powerful and more useful computer. The computers which are based on AI technology are more powerful and more usable. Yes, AI is a new and improved feature in this world that provides a good and better interface. It can solve the new problems, it can better handle the information, it relieves the information overload, and the most important is, yes, the conversion of information into the knowledge with the use of AI becomes more easy. So, these were the advantages. Now, let us come over the disadvantages of AI. So, yes, the computers which are more powerful, that are the AI based computer, also are expensive. So, yes, they are expensive ones. Why so? Because this AI technology has increased the cost of the machine. Next is, yes, difficulty with the software development as it becomes slow and expensive. Also, few experienced programmers. You cannot find many good hands in AI as because it is one of the very booming technology and people are now aware of it but not pro into it. So, you will really find the people with the good experience in AI technology. Also, there are few practical products that have reached the market as yet. So, these were the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Now, let us talk about the future of AI. So, as I said, in the coming decade, there will be more automated things around us. It means that the work will be more done by the robots, by the machines than human beings, as because AI has started taking the things in its hand. So, let us discuss the future of AI. Very first thing that says that looking at the future and its wide applications, we may definitely stick to artificial intelligence. So, seeing at the development of AI is it that the future world is becoming artificial. Just now I said that the things will be more automated than the manual things, right? So, it will become more artificial. Next is, yes, biological intelligence is fixed because it is an old mature paradigm, but the new paradigm of non-biological computation and intelligence is growing exponentially. The memory capacity of the human brain is probably of the order of 1,000 million binary digits, but most of this is probably used in remembering visual impressions and other comparatively wasteful ways. And hence we can say that as natural intelligence is limited and volatile too, world may now depend upon the computers for fast and smooth working. You can see that now we are more into robotic world. So, as you must have heard about a Sophia robot. As I just said, before to this, that there is an invention of women robot called as Sophia robot, which works like a human being. So this Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong based company Hanson Robotics in the year 2015. It becomes activated. So as we can see that she had made her first public appearance at South by Southwest Festival in mid of the March 2016 in United States. Then in 2017, Sophia becomes a Saudi Arabian citizen, the first robot to receive the citizenship in any country. Let's talk about the explosive growth of AI. So as I said many times that if the things will be more automated, definitely the manual things, importance and the efforts done manually will be less worthy. So yes, there are positive as well as negative senses or the growth we can say of AI in the world. If we talk about the growth of AI in positive sense, so yes, it is useful to the society, but on the other hand, also we can say that there is a growth in negative sense that is harming to the society. Let's come to the conclusion of today's lecture is that we have discussed some of its principles, we have discussed about many applications of AI, its achievements, its history and many more basic concepts of artificial intelligence. So now the ultimate goal of institutions and scientists working on AI is to solve majority of the problems or to achieve the task which we human directly can't accomplish. So let's say it is for sure that development in this field of computer science will definitely change the complete scenario of the world, and now it becomes a responsibility of the creamy layer of engineers to develop this field. So in the next lecture, we are going to take up few more topics of AI in depth. Thank you. Have a nice day.